Transform your home front with amazing small garden backyard design. Welcome to our channel. We have explore amazing homes fronts design that craft small garden backyards. Today we will showcase creative ideas to transform your home's exterior into a welcoming oasis, no matter the size of your outdoor space. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more ideas, more things and more garden ideas. So joining us. Make a memorable first impression with a charming entryway landscape. Frame your front door with a lush greenery, colorful flowers, and decorative planters to create warm and inviting ambience that welcomes guests with open arms. Maximize vertical space in your home front. Design with a vertical gardens. Features install living walls or trellises adorned with climbing plants and vines to add texture and visual interest by optimizing space in a small garden backyard. Quiet vista through your garden with a pathways that stone ascents use natural stones, pavers and grave paths bordered by low maintenance plants to create a scene and structure and flow, enhancing the overall aesthetics in your home front. Create cozy seating nooks throughout your small garden backyard to enhancing the relaxation, enjoyment and outdoor living. Craft benches, chairs, even a quaint bistro set surrounding by fragrant blooms and greenery to tranquil retreat. With these creative ideas, you can transform your home front into a stunning oasis that combines beauty, functionality, and tranquility. Whether you have a small garden backyard or a spacious outdoor area, there are endless possibilities for creating amazing home front design that reflects your unique styles. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden and home ideas decoration. Thanks.